How to fix screen flickering on Android. So the very first thing you want to do is to restart your device. Once your device has been started, the next thing you want to do is to enable the dark mode. You need to turn off the light mode and enable the dark mode. Once it has been done, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of your device. In the search bar, search for developer option and then head over to it. Now scroll all the way down and you'll find the option of Show Surface Updates. What you want to do is enable this option. Now search for the option Debug GPU Overdraw. You need to make sure that this option is turned off. Well, after doing these things, it must fix the issue that you have been facing on your device. So that's it, and this was your tutorial today on how to fix screen flickering on Android. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.